Today we're going to show you how to make Rice Krispy Treats by using the microwave. To make this a little more fun, we hid shop prints throughout the video. Can you find them all? 3 main ingredients. Half a stick of butter, a full bag of marshmallows, miniature or big ones, whatever you prefer. 3 cups of Rice Krispies. You will also need a rubber spatula. And if you would like, you can put some fruit dye in it. First step is you have to put the butter and the marshmallows and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Next, you have to make sure the marshmallows are melted. If it's not fully melted, you add 30 more seconds. If you want to, you can add food coloring. Next, we mix the cereal with the marshmallow. That's what's yummy. It does. I will eat all of it. Once the cereal and marshmallow are mixed together, you put it on the cookie sheet. Cut it down to it's 1 inch thick. Once you pat it down, you have to put it in the fridge to cool off. That's delicious. Once it's cooled off, you can either cut it in squares or you can use cookie cutters. Ta-da! And now don't eat them. I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. It's delicious. How many shoppings did you find? Tell us in the comments below. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Want to play businesses? No. There it is. 1, 2.